Hi friends, I am presenting here my short resume. Myself Dr. U.N. Bhale, Professor Department of Botany, Art, Science and Commerce College Nadur, Taluka Tuzapur, District Usmanabad, Maharashtra. My research area interest is mycology and plant pathology, especially plant disease management by pesticide, arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi and thermophilic fungi. Since 2003 up to 2020, I have been published 149 research articles, out of which 37 research article was published in national level journals and 72 research article was published in international level in India as well as abroad. In this publication, 119 9 publication is only in the journals and others are the 21 publication from as a book chapter, that is 19, and 21 publication from the different conferences as a conference proceeding. In this my publication, as per today data, there are 13,500 research reads by researcher on ResearchGate, and I have 141 Google Scholar citations are having H-index and IT index. In this period, I have reported new reports, first report of different articles, that is 8, and I have submitted and publication of the nucleotide sequences to the gene bank from some fungi as well as some phytoplasmal research, that the number is 6. I attended and presented the research papers near about 53 conferences, symposia as well as the workshops. As well as I have delivered the lecture as a research person in various conferences, symposia and workshop 12 times, especially in the conferences of which was organized by Indian Physical Society from Western Zone. Then under my supervision, 9 PhD students are awarded their PhDs in different disciplines, especially from plant disease management, from arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, biopesticides, especially from the Trichoderma species, and from thermophilic fungi is role for the compost preparations. And still now the 5 PhD students are working. I have completed my 17 years service, the 2 orientation course, 2 refresher course and 1 short-term course. Then I have still now I am a member of as well as life member of the various journals as well as society, near about 15 journals of society. I am a life member as well as a member of the journal, as well as I am associate editors of various journals, especially from the Journal of Biosciences Discovery, which was published from Jalna, as well as Journal of Science Research Reported, which was published from Jalna. I am associate editor as well as a technical editor, as well as a reviewer of different journals, especially from the International Journal of Agriculture Research, as well as Research Journal of Botany, Asian Journal of Plant Pathology, Asian Journal of Plant Sciences, which was published by the Asian Science Alert. Then I am a reviewer of a very prestigious journal from plant pathology, that is a Indian Pathology Society. I am a reviewer of this journal. As well as I am a member and peer-reviewed member of the Journal of Global Agriculture and Ecology, which was published from Hooghly, West Bengal. I am a fellow of the Hind Agri Horticultural Society, Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh, India. I have received a very prestigious award for my research, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Scientific Excellence Award in 2015, which was given by Marina Labs, Chennai. During this my service period, I have organized one national seminar conference, and I have received very overwhelming response in 2011. I have published 5 different books, out of which the first book was published based on my autobiography named as Hehi Divas Zatilach. Then another book which was published, the Cell Biology, Genetics and Plant Breeding, which was published from Aurangabad, and this book is related for the BSc third year syllabus from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. And another is the Plant Pathology and Disease Management. It is for optional paper, and Cell Biology, Genetics and Plant Breeding is for compulsory paper from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. I have published 2 books from New Delhi, that is Plant Science for Sustainable Agriculture and Rural Development, which was published by Daya Publishing House, New Delhi. And second book is related for the research, that is Measure Constraints and Verdict of Crop Productivity. This book was published in 2 volumes in 2015, and which was published by Astor International Publication, New Delhi. So these are the 5 different books I have been published. Then I have completed the 5 projects, and out of which the 2 projects are the major research project funded by University Grant Commission, New Delhi, and one more major project I have completed from DST SRB, funded by that DST SRB, New Delhi, and 3 projects which was completed, which was funded by Western Zone of University Grant Commission. So such a way that I have completed the 5 research project. Also I have made the radio talk on different point as a farmer's point of view, especially for the trichoderma you use as a biofertilizer and to control the plant diseases which is present in the farm field as a crop plant. As I have delivered the talk on that Akashvani Usmanabad Center, the another talk, that is the biofertilizer is used for the farming. So such these 2 talks on Akashvani Usmanabad Center, Usmanabad. I was NSS program officer at college level for 3 years in the period of 2013 to 2016. I was a college coordinator of Avishkar in 2016 to 17. I was a district coordinator of Avishkar in 2017 to 2018. And now I am a board member of botany, that is BS of botany, BS member of botany from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. I have visited the foreign visit for the presenting international conference which was organized by Indian Pathology Society at Thailand, Bangkok, and presented their research paper. With this brief my introduction, I am request you all, please visit to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel, press icon button and like the button and share to your colleagues or friends. Thank you very much.